Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing another video today, and yes, I have another comparison video for you. This time it's between the LG G7 and the Galaxy S9 Plus. A lot of people have been asking for this comparison, so I decided to go ahead and make it for y'all. Y'all let me know who y'all thought actually win this battle. Y'all know how I do it. I did some video during the day, I did some video at nighttime, same thing with the photos. Y'all let me know if you have a clear winner. If not, let me know if one sounded better, if one looked better in a certain field. Let me know in the comments, because I love doing these comparisons. I love getting y'all feedback on which phone y'all actually thought looked the best and did the best job. I'm shooting this part of the video on both phones, so y'all let me know how this one looks and sounds too, because I'm going to switch the audio back and forth. Also, let's go over the specs really quick. On the LG G7, you have two rear cameras. You have a 16 and a 13 megapixel camera. One is a wide-angle lens, so shout out to them for doing that wide-angle lens again. LG's known for it, so they included that on there. Now, on the front camera, you have an 8 megapixel camera. Again, they improved the front cameras too on the LG G7, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it. On the Galaxy S9 Plus, you have dual 12 megapixel camera in the rear. The nice thing about that, you have actually dual aperture. One's it can go from 2.4 to 1.5 aperture, which is pretty cool. And then also on the front camera, you have an 8 megapixel camera on the front. They both do great jobs. I want your opinion. Y'all let me know who you thought won this battle. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give me a thumbs up for this video. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now. Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing a comparison video between the Galaxy S9 Plus and the LG G7 ThinQ. I'm shooting this part in 4K at 30 frames per second. Yes, I'm at the park. Look. Yes, that's my daughter in the background. But I'm just walking. Y'all let me know how everything sounds and how does it look. Well, let's go to focus straight away. Do y'all see any type of focusing problems? That actually look pretty good. Look at the sky. Slow pan. Which one actually looks the best? Again, with the S9 Plus, you have a 10-minute limit. With the G7, there's no type of limit. But, man, it's a pretty day in Texas, though. But which one actually looks the best? How's the stabilization on both of them? Y'all let me know. I'm going to do the 1080p, 60 and 30 frames, and then come back with a front-facing video. So stay tuned. Okay, everyone, so this is the 1080p, 60 frames per second. I'm going to do a slow pan. Again, S9 Plus, 10 minutes. The LG G7 doesn't have a time limit. Now, will the G7 heat up? I don't know. More tests to come. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sound. Yes, I'm still at the park. Walking around. I'm going to go to this road. But how does everything look? Look at that tree. The football field. Man, it is hot in Texas, by the way. It's like 100 degrees. Every single day. And it's dry, too. Plain and dry. Like, huh. Look. How does that look? Do y'all see any type of focusing? I don't. But y'all be the judge. I'm going to come to this pole. Yeah, that's my daughter with our dogs. But let's see. Nope. Any type of focusing. Now they actually both look pretty good, man. I think you could do great with both of these phones. But y'all let me know what you think. Again, it's just been a quick video sample. I'm going to come back with 1080p, 30 frames per second. Peace. Okay, everyone, so this is at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Yes, I'm still at the same park. How does everything sound? How does it look? Look at that. It's a beautiful day in the park, by the way. I'm gonna walk to this tree. It's a beautiful day, but how's the stabilization? How does everything look, and how do I sound? Can y'all hear the birds in the background? Or the wind blowing a little bit? But look at that tree. Yes, I'm holding both cameras, phones, I mean. Let's see, let's try it one more time. Bam, that looks pretty good. Look at the leaves blowing. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Again, just walking. My daughter's checking out. It's hot. She's under the shade with the dogs. But, you know. How does that wind pick up? Now I'm in the shade. Let's go into the sun. See how that does. Does it mess with the cameras? How's the stabilization? Man, it's a great day. But again, it's just been a quick video battle. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Until next time, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is the front-facing camera on both phones, the S9 Plus and the LG G7. Y'all let me know how everything looks. Look at the background. Which one actually looks the best? Yes, I'm sweating a little bit. Like I said earlier, it is hot in Texas. And I'm holding both phones, talking to them, which looks kind of weird though. Not gonna lie. How does that look? That's with the sun to my back. There's the sun to the side. And there's the sun straight in my eyes. How do I look? I can't even see on the phones right now because the sun is blinding me. So I'm gonna turn this way. But look at the sun. Let's get away from the sun. How does that tree look in the background? I don't think, man, they both look good on the phones, but you have to get them into, you know, the computer, see how everything looks. Look at the sky. But how do I look and how do I sound? Look, I don't know, they both actually do a pretty good job. Yes, I'm still walking at the park. But y'all let me know in the comments, which one do you like the best? Which one do you pick over the, you know, S9 Plus or the G7? Yes, on my channel, we have to have a winner. So I want y'all to pick the winner. Leave it in the comments. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Hi everyone, this is the nighttime part of the video. Yes, I'm shooting this between the G7 ThinQ and the Galxy S9 Plus. Shooting in 4K at 30 frames per second because that's the highest the G7 will shoot. One thing I noticed is that the S9 Plus has a cap of 10 minutes. The G7 does not. But y'all let me know how everything looks. Which one is your favorite? Which one looks the best? Let's see. Let's go into the light. I don't know what the Galxy S9 is doing with that light, but how does it look? How's the stabilization? I don't think the S9 Plus likes the light. Look at the grass. Which one looks more realistic? Yes, I'm walking. And it's kind of late tonight, so there's nobody here. Look, Big Lots is closed. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Come to this tree real quick. What y'all think? Again, let me know in the comments. And I'll come back with the rest of the video in just a moment. Peace. Okay, everyone. So this is at 1080p, 60 frames per second. Yes, between the G7 ThinQ and the Galxy S9 Plus. What y'all think about it? Man, actually both look pretty good to me. Can't wait till I get to the cameras. Look at the light. Do y'all see any focusing hunting with the lights? Again, at 1080p, 60 frames per second. The S9 Plus will limit you to 10 minutes. The G7 does not have a limit. What y'all think? How's the stabilization? Just walking. You can see Walmart across the street. Pretty much live at the Walmart. I should own stock in Walmart. Let's go into this rocks. Which one looks the best to y'all? Bam. There you go. I think they actually both look pretty good. I can't wait to get them onto the computer. But again, it's been just a quick sample, comparison, battle, whatever you want to call it, between the G7 and the S9 Plus. Peace. Okay, everyone, so this is at 1080p, 30 frames per second between the G7 and the S9 Plus. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Yes, I'm still in the parking lot. There's Billocks, closed. Lucky the cops haven't came by. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How does it look? Can you actually use both of these cameras? Will both of them pass your test? Y'all let me know. I don't think you can go wrong with either one, to be honest. At least what I'm seeing in the viewfinder or in the phone itself. How's the stabilization on both of them? Since I'm doing it in 30p, they both have stabilization on. Again, I'm just holding the phones together. So I don't have any type of gimbal. But look, still pan. Yes, that's the minivan over there. But again, it's just been a quick video sample. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Okay, everyone. So this is the front-facing camera on the G7 and the S9 Plus at nighttime. What do y'all think? Y'all let me know which one looks the best. Right now, I'm going to say the Galxy S9 Plus looks the best. It's bringing more light in. But until you get to a computer, I really don't know. I'm just looking on each phone. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm going to do a little bit more walking. It is still hot in Texas. It's late, like I've been saying. But as you can tell, I have some sweat on my face. Because it is still humid out here in the Texas weather. It's only the beginning of June. But look at that. How do I look and sound? I'm going to switch the audio back and forth. But again, it's just been a quick video sample of both phones. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Who won this battle? And until next time, peace. I'm out of here.